Welcome to our PowerPoint presentation presented by Jason J. Carriaga and J. M. Lomboy. Our topic is urinary system. What is urinary system? The urinary system, also known as the renal system or urinary tract, consists of a kidney, uterus, bladders, and urethra. The purpose of urinary system is to eliminate waste from the body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure, control levels of electrolytes and metabolites, and regulate blood pH. Yung urinary system po, yun po yung nagtatanggal ng dumi sa ating katawan, and siya yung nagko-control ng blood volume and blood pressure, and control levels of electrolytes and metabolites, and regulate blood. Yun lang po.
This is part of urinary system. Includes kidney, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Kidney. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs on either side of your spine, below your ribs and behind your belly. Each kidney is about 4 and 5 inches long, roughly the size of the large fish. The kidney's job is to filter your blood. Says kidney, clean your clean or filter your blood, and this is about kidney is about 4 and 5 long inches. This is the difference were found in in the volume distribution among the kidney zones. The cortex was larger in male than in females. Areas in medulla was conspicuously larger in female than the males.
Ureters. The ureter is a tube that carries urine from the kidney to urinary bladder. There are two ureters on attached to each kidney. The upper half of the ureter is located in the abdomen, and the lower half is located in the pelvic area.
Bladders. The urinary bladder is a muscular sac in the pelvis, just above and behind the pelvic bone. When empty, the bladder is about the size and shape of pear. Urine is made in the kidneys and travel down to tubes called ureters and to bladder. The bladder store urine, allowing urination to be infrequent and controlled. Says the bladder is about the size and shape of a pear, and urine is made kidneys and travel down two tubes. The bladder, the bladder used to store urine, allowing urination to be infrequent and controlled. In women, the bladder is located in front of the vagina and below the uterus in men. The bladder sits in front of the rectum and above the prostate gland. The wall of bladder contains fold called rugae and the layer of smooth muscle called the destrusor muscle.
Urethra. Urethra duct to transmit urine from the bladder to the exterior of the body during urination. The urethra is held closed by the urethral sphincter, a muscular structure that helps keep urine in the bladder until voiding can occur. The female urethra is shorter than the male urethra. In female, the urethra is narrow and about 4 centimeters long, significantly short, shorter than in male.
This is the example of urinary disorders. Cancers of urinary tract, incon- incontinence, inability to control urine flow, in- interstitial cystitis, kidney stone, kidney failure, urinary tract infections. Is the example of kidney disease.
Tips that you can take this step to reduce your risk of urinary tract infection. First, drink plenty of liquids, especially water. Second, drink cranberry juice. Third, wipe from front to back. Fourth,
Or
empty your bladder soon after intercourse. 5. Avoid potentially irritating feminine products. 6. Change your birth control method.
this is our presentation. Thank you.